I had a number of people tell me that they couldn't find a place to upload your Getting to Know You Spark post. So I wanted to show you how that worked. So if you are here on our home page in our Google Classroom, go to Classwork, and here you will see Class Drive folder. Go ahead, click on that. You will come here to the no name introduction, which is part of this Getting to Know You assignment. Just click on that, and all you have to do is now drag and drop your files. You can either click New File Upload and upload something, or you could go open up your Finder and just drag and drop something. Either way works. So you can see that both of these things are being uploaded. And that way I will have access to your no name introductions here. Don't forget to also upload them into the assignment in Moodle. All right, hopefully that covers it.